はい、皆さん、こんにちは。Vince です。Hello everyone, this is Vince. 本日ですね、今回ご紹介するのは、こちらに表示した漢字です。For today, what I would like to introduce to you, introduce to you is this kanji character indicated right here. 皆さん、もしよろしければ、チャンネル登録、ぜひ、お願いします。それから、この動画を、高評価と、なおかつ、もしよろしければ皆さん、この動画を最後まで見てもらえたら嬉しいです。If I could just make, if it's okay with you, if you could please press that like button and subscribe to my channel, and please watch until the end of this video, and then if you could do those things, and then I will be very very happy. それでは皆さん、早速始めていきましょう。始めます。Very well then, 皆さん。Let's begin, everyone. So our kanji for today is this kanji right here. It's about, last time, lesson 83, we discussed about human eye. But for today, we will discuss human ear. Human ear. Ear. Yeah, the one that we use for sense of hearing. It's ear. So for the kanji meaning ear, well, it's 6 strokes, and it is done in this. Our subject kanji is 6 strokes, and it is done in this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, minasan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And one last time: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you have a kanji practice writing sheet, the methodological way of doing the kanji strokes and the order is presented here, and you can follow. Just the dotted part is the origin of your pen or brush, and you can see this is read from left to right. So our subject kanji is ear. Imi or meaning is ear. Onyomi, very easy. Onyomi, just one. Ji. Kunyomi, very very easy too. Mimi. Kunyomi. And we can see here that there is no okurigana, so it's very easy. One onyomi, one kunyomi, no okurigana. Very easy to memorize. Ji, mimi. And in Chinese, it's er. In Chinese. Well, in Mandarin, I mean. So our subject kanji, minasan, is also a radical and a component. And this is our lesson 85, minasan. And we have here an additional vocabulary, soramimi. And you can see that I've placed a definition for soramimi. Soramimi, it's a bit non-basic meaning, non-basic word that you can derive out of our subject kanji. Soramimi has 3 definitions, but I would say definition number 2 and especially definition number 3 is the most befitting for the soramimi. It's homophonic translation of song lyrics for comic effect or for intentional comical reasons, and it's also a feigned deafness. Well, among these 3, the most prevalent definition for soramimi is number 2 and number 3. Well, let's have the origin. The ancient form is right here. The ancient picture or ancient form is right here. It looks like an ear, and of course it originated from the Shang dynasty. Well, form explanation, our subject kanji, which is also a radical and a component, with an onyomi of G. It depicts human ear, which is also its original meaning, ear. And the primary meaning, we have two: hearing and ear-like. When it is acting as a component or radical, it has the original meaning ear, primary meaning of sound, and a secondary meaning of perception. Okay, so let's go now to vocabulary minasan. Okay, so we don't have any dot or blah 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 pattern here, so we can go right straight to our vocabulary. And for those seeking the historical traces of this kanji character, well, you can screenshot this minasan, but I will not discuss in further detail for us to save time. Well, you can screenshot minasan. As I have said, it started from the Shang Dynasty, figure 1A and then figure 1B. Well, you can screenshot minasan or pause the video. Well, even in live you can pause. Okay, so let's tackle this G onyomi. G, the onyomi is G. Well, we have here one N1 level, JLPT N1 level vocabulary. It's jibika. Jibika is otolaryngology, or something related to, let's say, ENT or ENT, the ear, nose, and the throat department. Let's say in medicine. Sorry, sumimasen. So this is jibika, otolaryngology. And we have here 2GN. 2GN is inflammation in the ear. Inflammation of the ear. 2GN. When it is being inflamed, it's some sort of as if a burnt appearance. And for the kunyomi, very easy. Mimi, ear, or hearing. Let's say, mimi o kashite koremasen ka? Meaning, would you mind, literally, would you mind lending me your ear, which further translation translates to, if you could please listen to me. For example, minasan, chotto dake mimi o kashite koremasen ka? Will you please listen to me? Okay. Okay, just for a bit moment, chotto dake, okay, so hayamimi. Hayamimi means keen of hearing or quick-eared. Let's say you are hayamimi, you are quick-eared, or let's say gossips or deep intel info, or gossips or rumors or deep insider information. Hayamimi, insider. Okay, GBK is otolaryngology, ear, nose, throat department of medicine. And we have here, how about this? Jimoku, eyes and ears. Jimoku. Okay. 2GN, inflammation of the ear, otitis media. Okay, so let's go now to sample sentences, minasan. Mimi dake ga deteiru. Mimi dake ga deteiru. Only your ears are sticking out. Well, this is kinda figurative. Mimi dake ga deteiru. Only your ears are sticking out. Okay. Mimi ni shita koto ga arimasu ka? Mimi ni shita koto ga arimasu ka? Have you ever heard of it? Mimi ni shita koto ga arimasu ka? Have you heard of it? Okay. And we have here Mikawa. Mikawa-san wa Mimitabu ni yazu wo shita. Mimikawa-san wa pierced his ears. Okay. So for other sentences, minasan, please just screenshot those so that we can save time. Here we have here. The African elephant has bigger ears than the Asian elephant. Africa no zo is elephant. Africa zo no mimi wa Aja is Asia. Africa zo is elephant. Africa zo no mimi wa Aja zo no mimi yorimo oki. The pattern here, minasan, whichever is the noun that is on the left side of Yori, that is the inferior in quality or inferior in terms of adjective level. So here, the Yori was placed on the right side of the Mimi of the Asian elephant. So you can see the superior in size of ears is that of Africa zo or African elephant. Africa zo no mimi wa Aja zo no mimi yori mo oki. Okay, so this function of Yori. Okay, so the others, Hats Mimi. First time hearing something, Hats Mimi. Hats Mimi. First time hearing something, because the first kanji means first, as in first time. Hats Mimi. Hatskoi is being double first sight, Hatskoi. Here, Hats Mimi, something heard for the first time, or something, hearing something new for the first time. Okay, Jimoku, eyes and ears. Mimimoto. Mimimoto is close to the ear. Mimizawari. Mimizawari, something not pleasant to the ear. Zawari is not pleasant. Mimizawari is hard to hear or offensive to the ear, because zawari is something unpleasant. Let's say mezawari, something unpleasant to your eyes. Mimizawari is something not pleasant to your ears, offensive when you're hearing it. Okay, or bring any bad feeling every time you hear it. Okay, and Mimiyori. Mimiyori, on the contrary, Mimiyori is welcoming. Let's say a good news, a welcoming thing, Mimiyori. Or let's say inviting or encouraging, something that encourages you every time you hear of it, Mimiyori. Something welcoming or gives hope. Okay, minasan, so another sentence, I have a foreign object in my ear. I have a foreign object in my left ear. Hidari mimi ni nani ka haite shimaimashita. Okay. Hidari mimi ni nani ka haite shimaimashita. I have a foreign object in my ear. Okay. So for other sentences, minasan, please just screenshot those so that we can save time, minasan. And let's go now to our names. Well, we all know that our subject kanji has two readings. Onyomi is Ji, kunyomi is Mimi, and we can see here in the names section or proper nouns, you can see here the one in gray font, the reading in kana writing, just like here, Mimi E, and just like here, Mimita. So directly below the kanji writing is the reading presented in kana writing, and you can just screenshot this, minasan, so that we can save time. Another example is Mimikawa. Okay, so for greater appreciation, minasan, I would like you to take a look at this, minasan. So this is the origin, minasan. Remember in our In our most recent kanji lesson, the me is human eye, me is human eye. And now, lesson 85 is about human ear. And this is read, minasan, from left to right. To see the evolution, this is read from left to right. So you can see here from the eyes, from the ears, and you can see the evolution, how it became the kanji character that we have known. Okay, so just like here, minasan, this is the human ear, the drawing of human ear. So the original depiction looks like an ear, and this is also read, the evolution is read from left to right, and you can see how it evolved. Well, in Chinese or Mandarin, it's ear. Well, in English, ear. And minasan, I have told you that our subject kanji, ji or mimi, can also act as a kanji radical or component. And you can see in grade 2 level kanji how it behaves like a radical. It's kiku, a very essential kanji. Well, onyomi, bun, mon, kiku, kikueru. Kiku means to hear or listen. Kikueru means something is audible. Well, here in grade 8 or secondary high level kanji, you can see in the left side it is in hand position, acting as a radical, and it's an essential part or a form component and a meaning component. Here, to form the reading, onyomi cho, kunyomi kiku, but the kiku here is rather specific to mean being more attentive or more focused for professional and concentration purposes. So listening in headstrong manner or careful inquiry. So that's it, minasan. So I believe we have reached the last part of our lesson for today. 今日のレッスンはここまでです。So we have reached the last part, minasan, and I thank you for watching until the end. 皆さん、最後まで見てくれた。本当にありがとうございました。皆さんご覧いただいてくれた。ありがとうございました、皆さん。Thank you for watching until the end, 皆さん。And I'll see you in the next kanji lesson, 皆さん。それでは皆さん、また次の動画でお会いしましょう。And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. 皆さん、もしよろしければ依頼がありますけど、いいねボタンを押して、それからシェアボタンも押してくれて、それからチャンネル登録ぜひぜひお願いします。So 皆さん、this is the final part, and I'll see you in the next lesson. 皆さん、また次の動画でお会いしましょう。それでは皆さん、ありがとう。Thank you for watching. Bye bye.